Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this neck slash back massager. Guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with this neck slash back massager. I really love it. I think it works wonderful. You can use it to massage your neck. You can use it to massage your back. You can also use it to massage your lower back. Some people need it to massage their thighs as well. You can use it literally to massage anything. So we have the on and off button. We have the rotation button. We have the speed button. So it has 3 different speeds. And then we also have the heat slash non-heat option as well. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on so I can show you how it works. So you turn it on like this. So right now we have it on, and then we can change the rotation. So it changes the rotation, and then we can change the speed. So this is the highest speed. I love the highest speed. That one's my favorite, but you can switch it to the medium speed, and then we're gonna switch it to the lower speed. Love it. Now this is with heat, but you can also turn off the heat. But guys, this thing is amazing. Whenever you put it on your neck, it adjusts to your neck. And if you put it on your back, it also adjusts to your back. And if you put it in your lower back as well. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on so I can show you. So it's adjusting to my neck. It also has these little 2 handles, guys, that you can just go like this. And this is how you can handle it, like that. So it's just massaging your neck. And then we're going to lower it a little bit down so it can massage your back. It's adjusting. It feels amazing. Guys, I'm all bones. So whenever it massages my bones, it feels so good. Look at that. Oh, it feels amazing. And then you can just lower it a little bit down as well in case you want it more lower. It's just massaging like your lower back, but not like your lower back. If you want it to go a little bit more lower, just let it go a little bit more down. So right now it's massaging my lower back, guys. I really love that option because whenever you have it on your lower back, you can be using your computer, you can be driving, and it just feels amazing. It feels awesome. I would really recommend this neck slash back massager, guys. Also, it comes with a car plug in case you want to get a massage in your car. It also comes with a wall outlet because you do have to have it plugged into the wall outlet. But yeah, guys, I really love this neck slash back massager, and I would definitely 100% recommend it.